All right. What we have here today, ladies and gentlemen, is the deconstruction of a beast. Ooh, all the memories. Hello, wall. And we're gonna put the seats and such back in here for now. Just kind of hanging out. If you guys are wondering what's up with the Chuck Norris's and this build, USPS has lost a couple of my woofers, and they have yet to be found. So I'll let y'all know something when I know something. And also Saturday, I'm gonna go pick up my teammate Jose's box for 412s, and he's gonna let me borrow his 4 SA12s also until I get my other trucks in. So, all right, just giving you guys an update. Got some new plans coming up for the Mustang. You guys just stay tuned, and we'll holler back, bitches. Oh, son of a bitch.
Wow.
What?
What damn deal is here?
Oh, sorry.
Lose some weight, fat ass.
Oh. From what I hear, you're the one who's got the weight problem. I'm just saying. That's word on the street.